First, you will need to make your pulp, mix wastepaper, cardboard, sawdust, and add water. Blend it all together using the mixing paddle until you have a fine mixture. Add the mixture to the press and fill to about 80% full. Lower the pressure arm into place and start compressing the briquette. Add further pulp and press again. Continue until you have a briquette, which is about 75% of the basket. You can see here Stu is making a horse manure briquette using our Multimate Mark II press. Stu is pressing out the water to form the briquette. It's quick and easy to use and freestanding. A wall bracket is available for wall mounting if required. Once you have compressed a briquette, remove it from the basket with the assistance of a removal block. Set aside the briquette to dry, allow between 6 to 8 weeks for drying. 1. The best option for drying the briquettes is to allow plenty of air around the briquette. 2. Some people are using a polytunnel to help dry the briquettes. 3. One of our customers is even using the warming draw in their Arga cooker.